Road Safety Officers is a scheme led by Hampshire County Council. It helps young people promote road safety issues in their school communities in a fun way. By taking part in workshops, children get to engage in and learn about what it takes to be a junior road safety officer.
The Junior Road Safety Officer programme is there to ensure that children are being taught about road safety and reducing child casualties. The children have the opportunity to obviously teach their peers about all our key messages and have ownership of their learning and their peers' learning by teaching it in the way that they think is fun and interactive.
In my workshop we've been doing the crash casualties scenario where there's a crash that's happened, and we look at the different people that were involved and give points of blame to those different people as well. We're doing a Snakes and Hazards board game with a road safety twist. We're running a series of laptops around the back of the room where they can go to other road safety websites, play activities on there. We also have a cycle safety where we're looking at faults on a bike and also how to fit a helmet correctly.
It was fun because you get to test out like the bike and all the brakes and stuff.
As the road safety team, we support them through the training event that we do at the beginning of each academic year, and then throughout the year I'll do monitoring visits and write newsletters. There is the interactive website that the children can access. They also get their really informative booklet that they receive at the day, which has road safety knowledge as well as activities and ideas that they can do throughout the year.
In a session led by Heart FM, pupils find out how to make a hard-hitting radio commercial.
Today we've been talking about radio commercials, and we've been getting the kids to actually make their own radio commercials. Well, I hope they had a bit of fun, but actually they think about the messages and they think about the impact of those messages.
Remember the 3 Ds. Don't distract the driver.
It fits in really well with the school council, as well as any peer mentoring schemes that the schools may run, and as well as obviously the junior road safety officers teaching road safety throughout the year. It is important that teachers realise that it can be taught as part of the literacy, numeracy, geography and science curriculums as well.
Quizdom is an interactive quiz about road safety. Pupils compete using handheld keypads in a race to Mars, with knowledge gained from the other workshops.
I get them to follow a story of a young child. His name's Junior. They then get to see what he sees when he's making his route to his best friend's house. I open up discussions for them and I get them to think about different aspects and putting it into context so that when they're using the road they can relate it to themselves.
It wasn't just putting your hand up and answering the questions, we were discussing what you had to do to stay safe.
Quizdom was really good and I learned some new things from that.
The teachers like to see the children get involved, and it's actually a good opportunity for the children to be independent when they're answering the questions.
We've been asking if we can bring it to school and have a go at doing that in assembly.
In an ideal situation, we would like the JRSOs to run a key message at least every half term. We have helped the schools this year by providing a medium term plan which gives ideas for each half term, each key message and an idea for an assembly, a competition and any notice boards that the children want to produce. We would like them to promote obviously being bright both as a cyclist and a pedestrian, the Green Cross Code, always wearing a cycle helmet and always wearing a seat belt or a booster seat when necessary. And what we're encouraging the children to do this year is to really get that message out to the wider community, so to parents and grandparents, etc.
Be Bright, Be Seen gives pupils a chance to come up with road safety slogans and design their own colourful t-shirts.
There's lots of lovely designs with volcanoes and stars. It gets the message across to the children, and it also means that they can take it back into the school and to their friends in other clubs. They love it because it's so hands-on and interactive.
I like making t-shirts. I thought I'd really enjoy this and I am at the moment.
It's worked really well if schools have chosen a junior road safety officer team, so there's been other children in other years to help support the children in their assemblies and help them in their meetings. It's also helped if there is an adult there who can support the children and meet with them, say every half term, to support them in their role.
I think it's a good way of them learning about road safety and going back and being a role model.
It's the prime age for them to start learning the messages.
They can't wait to go back to school and share their experiences with their friends.
They've got loads of ideas so far and they're so motivated.
They can't wait to do their first assembly.
When children come back they're at a hype because they're full of this idea, full of motivation.
I can't wait to show them what they've made, their t-shirts, tell them about the quizzes that they've done. They've just had an amazing day.
All you need to do is to choose one Year 5 and one Year 6 child to become your junior road safety officers. It's really helpful if they can be confident children, organised to plan assemblies and run competitions. Then you also need to nominate an adult helper who will attend the training day with them and support them throughout the year.
So, what do the children think about the day?
I just enjoyed it the whole way, did what they said, did what people have said and loved it. It's just really fun and you get to meet new people. I will go back and tell them that it was really fun. It's just been really helpful. I can't wait to make my friends jealous at school.
I think my favourite bit so far was when everything really.
What was the best thing out the whole day?
The girls won.